the channel, guys. It's good to have you here. Today I am making this short video because I want to show you guys what I did in a roll race event we had in Salinas, Puerto Rico. The car actually worked out great. We dynoed it, and it dynoed at 760 rear wheel horsepower. That is only with a lower damper, intake, headers, and exhaust, and obviously a tune. So yeah, guys, the car did amazingly great. I even beat a Hellcat who had over 860 rear wheel horsepower. That was said by his owner, so I believe him. Anyways, guys, the clips are 2 short clips, so I'm just basically gonna show you that. It's gonna be a short video, but hope you guys enjoy it.
La gente de RW, Motorsport Media, Mustang
Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe and hit post notifications for more. Take care, Garage Gang.